Welcome to this lecture on isometric projection. In this video, we are going to see how to draw the isometric view of a cylinder. This is the problem which is given. Draw the isometric view of a vertical cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis length 60 mm. Right? To start with, first draw a reference line, mark x, y, vertical plane, horizontal plane. Then you know the diameter is 50, just draw a 50 mm line, mark center, that is 25. Take your compass, measure 25 mm radius and complete the circle. Then you can segment this circle into 4 equal parts. Then give the notation. Since the cylinder will have top face and the bottom face, right? For top face, here the notation given here is ABCD, whereas the bottom face notation given as EFGH. That is why it is given in the brackets, because it is hidden. After, just give the projection lines like this. Bring your scale. The height is 60 millimeter, which is given in the problem. You can measure 60 millimeter and draw a line. Since this line is coming from the axis line, so you have to give dash and dotted line. That is an actual line which is representing the axis. Next step, complete the cylinder, right, and give some notations. See, this is the bottom face. E, F, G, H is a bottom face where H is hidden if we look the object from this direction. H is hidden, and this line is a top face. A, B, C, D. Here also D is hidden. Then give some dimensioning 60 mm like this. Then diameter is 50 mm, so you have to mention with the diameter symbol. So up to this we have finished the simple position of this problem. So now we are moving on to the how to draw the isometric view for this simple position. Okay, for that just enclose this circle into a square box like this, right? Then give some notation for the box. So I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4 as a notation for the box, right? After enclosing the circle into a box, just measure it. Since this circle and the square box is enclosed over the circle, so it is 50 mm in dimensions. First I would like to draw the box first. In isometric view, I am going to draw the box first. For that, make a line like this. Choose any point, bring your protractor, measure 30 degree on both sides. Just draw the box, right? Keep your scale 50 mm, draw a line. So here bring your scale, draw a 50 mm line. Then this step is very important. You have to move your scale parallel to this line, right? Since these two lines are parallel, so you have to move your scale parallel to this line and mark 50 mm. Similarly, you have to move your scale parallel to this line and mark 50 mm. So we have constructed the box, right, at an angle of 30 degree. Okay. The next step, we have to construct the circle. So in this video, we are following 4 center method. To draw a circle using 4 center method, we need to keep a point in the center of this line. So bring your scale. For each line you have to mark the center. At 25 mm you have to mark the center. So we got 4 center. Now we are going to draw the circle. For that, from this diagonal you have make a line like this and like this. From this diagonal you make a line and you make a line, right? So after this, this point as radius, either this point as this point as center, this point as radius, you make a arc. Similarly, this point as center, this point as radius, you make a arc. Then this point as center, this point as radius, you can make a arc. Similarly, this point as center, this point as radius, you can make a arc. So now the circle is completed, right? What is the next step? Okay, the next step is we need to draw a height of the cylinder. For that, we know the length, height of the cylinder is 60 mm. For each corner, you have to draw a 60 mm line like this. So from each corner, you have to draw a 60 mm line, and you just complete this using the box here. So whatever the procedure we have followed to draw the circle in the bottom, the same procedure should be for draw the circle in the top also, right? First we have to mark the center for all the 4 lines, then you have to draw like this line like this, then this is keep this as center, this as radius, draw the arc, and this point as center, this point as radius, draw the arc, and so on. So we have completed this bottom portion and top portion, right? Now we are going to draw a vertical line. From where we need to draw a vertical line? Either from here or here or here or here. In order to know that, we just draw a horizontal line, right? Where it intersects with this circle, you have to similarly in the bottom also. So from this point to this point, you have to draw a vertical line. From this point to this point, you have to draw a vertical line, and you just dark the visible portion. So since this semi-circled portion is visible for you, I am drawing using HP pencil. The remaining portion is not visible, just keep as it is in 2H itself. Then you have to give the isometric angle as 30 degree from on both sides. So that's all about the isometric view of a cylinder. Hope you enjoyed this video and you will learn how to draw a isometric view of a cylinder, and thanks for watching.